Scanning sequence initiated on bulkhead 4.
Acknowledged. Tolerance holding at 0.05.
Scanning module 3 Alpha.
Data matches the specifications.
Check the load-bearing specs at the attachment points.
Reading confirmed. Structural integrity is zero compromise.
The optical scan is complete.
Material density and color tone are identical to the prototype.
In the integration bay, a strict demarcation ensures process A on the airframe remains separate.
The integration of the vibration dampening mounts is critical for the mission computers. The robotic arm ensures precise torque calibration across all fittings.
Temperature and humidity stable. Particle count nominal.
Confirmed. Ready for process A.
The custom fabricated wiring harnesses are individually scanned, verifying continuity and pin-out accuracy against.
This split-screen view highlights the parallel processes. The physical preparation of the...
All right, steady on the lowering sequence.
We're aligned. I'm engaging the forward clamps.
Confirming green status on connections 1 through 4.
Bay 30 systems check. Tent integrity at 100%.
Copy that. Proceeding with power up heat sequence.
Voltage levels holding steady. Data link integrity check at 980%.
Green across the board. We have full integration.
Excellent work, team.
A specialized robotic arm installs custom fabricated electromagnetic shielding panels over the newly integrated foreign components within the Su-30MKI airframe.
Heat dissipation is uniform, well within tolerance.
Confirmed. The modification is successful.
Audit complete on the cable harnesses. No loose connections or chafing. Good.
The laser scan confirms the geometry is within tolerance.
Test sequence complete. All parameters nominal.
Green light confirmed on sensor array. Finalizing report.
The gantry crane re-engages, slowly releasing the Su-30MKI airframe from its jig.
Power sequence complete. Initiating Process B workflow now.
All indicators are nominal, the rig is stable.
The simulation looks good. We're stable at max load.
Agreed. The foreign component integration is successful.
Telemetry logs confirm operational limits are stable.
Cross-referencing against the original specs. All parameters are nominal. We have a pass.
The test rig is fully operational, signifying the shift to the secondary product manufacturing phase.
The stress test is complete. All parameters are nominal.
Excellent. The data confirms full material consistency.
The complex scenario executed perfectly.
Margins are stable. The integration package is certified.
The spectroscopic readings here look consistent with the baseline data.
Agreed. No signs of microfracturing on the connectors either. Everything seems structurally sound.
The high-capacity printers rapidly generate the crucial certification reports, known as Process B. Check the integration software manifest here.
Confirmed. Package is secure, ready for loading Bay 3.
Here in the integration bay, the automated process applies the final security seals and temperature tags, ensuring the integrity of the ruggedized software drive.
Process B. The secure transport carrying the certified documentation pulls away, ensuring geographic separation from the Su-30MKI airframe.
This is Process B. The secure transport of certified software and crucial intellectual property.
Process B shipment confirmed. All units scanned and verified.
Excellent. Notifying the integration team now. Security seals verified. Logging the delivery now.
Confirmed, sir. Manifest updated.
The movement is highly secured, emphasizing the sensitive nature of the certified software and data, which represent the armored vehicle carrying the certified documentation drives through the secure gate. The delivery confirms.
As part of Process B,
The standardized certification reports are unpacked and organized, making them accessible to the maintenance.
Ensure the torque wrench is set precisely to the process B specifications shown here. Over-tightening will compromise the seal.
Now we inject the failure mode here. Notice the telemetry deviation on channel 3.
And the red indicator confirms the anomaly, initiating the sequence.
Process B is fully integrated.
Confirmed. All parameters are nominal.
The customer bay is officially operational.
PB integration check complete. Systems nominal. Ready for operational use.
The certified software baseline is backed up onto redundant storage systems, ensuring continuity of operations.
According to the PB Section 12, we inspect the hydraulic connection first.
The certification report confirms that sequence.
All right, let's proceed.
The PB data confirms the integration is secure. Let's finalize the mission parameters.
Confirmed, sir. The optimization is complete.
The custom wiring harnesses are neatly stored in labeled, standardized drawers, ready for use as replacement components.